Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and in this video I will guide you how you can purchase PowerPack elements add-ons for Elementor Pro. So let's get started. So first open your browser and type for Bloggingify store. Don't worry, I will share you the direct product link in the description box. So just click on the description link and you will be redirect on this type of product page. Okay. So here you can see we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins with lifetime auto update with original license key activation. So if you need anything else, so just click on this search icon and type what you need. Basically in this video we'll talk about PowerPack. So let me just type and click on this product. So here is the few details about this product. So let me explain you one by one. Use it for one domain, update validity, lifetime auto upgrade from your WordPress dashboard. Installation manually we will install. That means you have to share your website temporary access with us and we will install your product in a few minutes. Okay, that's a simple process. Original type, original license key we have, so you will receive automatic update from your WordPress dashboard. So if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information and here you have to select your payment method. So if you outside of India, you can select PayPal for the payment confirmation and confirm your payment. After the payment confirmation, you will redirect on this type of thank you page and here you can see a download button appear. So just click on this download button and you will receive our premium contact support. So share your website temporary access with us and we will install your plugin in a few minutes. Okay, that's a simple process. So thank you so much guys for watching this video.